Hello everyone, this is Dr. Locks, welcome to our channel and welcome to another vlog. In the vise today we have a 5-pin, VITA. I've never come across this mate before, so I'll just quickly show you it working again. Works lovely. So I'm going to try to pick this with the echelon set today. A set I used to love picking with, but I haven't picked with it for a while, so I'm going to give it a spin today. Now remember, I picked quite a lot of challenge locks with this set, this echelon set, especially at the start of the year. Bit of a full set now. Drop the tension, and there we go. So we've got it open. There's the keys, just quite a low pin at the front, and then they were pretty standard at the back there. But yeah, we've got it open. Happy days. Another one bites the dust. Another vlog complete. If you stayed with me this far, thank you very much for watching. Hopefully we can continue this journey tomorrow. I'll see you all later.